I say hi. Hi everyone! Look what I have here! It's a very special box. It has a very special design that I have worked with designers at Loumnna. So today I'm going to unbox this. Kita tengok apa yang ada kat dalam box ni, okay? So, kita buka. Okay, so you can see inside, it says, thank you and Loumnna x Aisha Liyana. Oh my god! And in here are the two special cases in here, but I tak nak buka lagi. Before that, I also wanted to let you know that for those of you guys who participate in the pre-order, you will also get an enamel badge, pin badge. It's super cute. So I hope you guys don't miss the pre-order. And then you will also get these two phone cases in here. Okay, I'm gonna open the first one. Ta-da! So this is what's inside. This is the first design. This is the design that we have come up with. It says one day at a time, which is essentially the whole theme of this collaboration. I wanted something floral but also cute as well, and of course, being me, it's still a little bit of pastel in here, very girly and dainty, which is something that I think reflects me. Okay, so this is the other design, which you will probably see. It is a familiar design, which is same as the ones on the box. It looks like it's stickers, and it has a lot of words of affirmations basically on it. It is something that I myself came up with these words. These words were the ones that helped me a lot. So getting to see this every single day on my phone, I thought would be a pretty good idea. And then we have a lot of the cute icons that I requested. Some are makeup, some are sushi, flowers, all those cute stuff. Okay, other than the cute design, of course, the essential job of a phone case is to protect your phone. So you can see the phone casing over here. It's not only that it's pretty, it's also very sturdy, and it is shockproof because it has like additional protection of rubber. You can see the white over here at the edges. It adds an additional layer of protection. It's slim, but it's still very sturdy to me. So don't worry, it's not only fashion, it's also protection for your phone. So remember, you don't want to miss the pre-order because you will get an exclusive limited edition price for limited time only, a very limited time. You will get it, both of these casing, this whole set, for only 87 ringgit for just 1 hour on the pre-order sales. And the first 20 of you guys will stand a chance to win an AirPods Pro and also Apple Watch Series 6. So you definitely don't want to miss out. Be the first if it's possible. You don't miss out on the pre-order, okay? Don't miss this limited chance. That's all from me, from Aisha Liyana and Loumnna. Bye!